In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a local account in Windows 11 during installation and bypass the Microsoft account requirement. Normally, when you install Windows 11, Microsoft forces you to sign in with an online Microsoft account before you can continue. In this video, I'll show you two different and easy methods to skip the Microsoft account sign-in and set up Windows 11 with a local account. Both methods are simple, step by step, and anyone can follow them. So without any further delay, let's get started. Alright, during the Windows installation process, when you reach the screen where you're asked to select your country or region, this is where we can use a simple trick to bypass the Microsoft login. All you need to do is press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt window. If Shift plus F10 does not work in your laptop, try pressing Fn key plus Shift plus F10. When command prompt window open, type the command exactly as shown and press enter. Once you do that, a local user setup window will open where you can create a local account for this PC. Just enter your local username and password, set the security questions, and then click Next. After this, Windows will skip all the extra steps like connecting to the internet, signing in with a Microsoft account, and going through unnecessary setup screens. It takes you straight into Windows using your local account. Now, if I open the settings, you can see that the account is set up as a local account. That's how easy it is to bypass the Microsoft sign-in during Windows 11 installation. If this trick doesn't work for you for any reason, don't worry. There's another method you can try, and it works on both older and newer versions of Windows 11. I've personally tested it on version 26H2, and it works perfectly. For the second method, we'll use the Registry editor to bypass the Microsoft account and set up a local account instead. Just like before, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open command prompt. First, we need to disable the internet connection. In command prompt, type ncpa.cpl and press enter. This will open the network connections window. If you're using a wired Ethernet connection, disable it. If you're on Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi adapter. Don't worry, we'll turn it back on later. Next, go back to command prompt, type regedit and press enter. This will open the Registry editor window. From here, expand H key local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows, and open current version. Inside that, find the folder named OBE and click on it. On the right hand side, right click in the empty space, choose new, then select dword 32-bit value. Name this value by pass NRO, exactly like that. Right click on it and select modify, change the value data to 1 and then click OK. Now close the Registry editor and, back in command prompt, type the restart command to reboot the system. After the restart, continue with the Windows setup. Select your country, enter your local username and password, set the security questions, and leave privacy setting default. That's it. You'll notice there's no Microsoft sign-in screen anymore. Once Windows loads, open settings, and you'll see that you're logged in with a local account. This method works on the latest versions of Windows 11 as well. So if the first method doesn't work for you, try this one. It should definitely do the trick. After, click on Windows search and type network connections and open it. Now enable the internet. Right-click on Internet and select Enable. This will enable the interface which we disabled earlier during Windows setup. And that's how easy it is to bypass the Microsoft login and use a local account instead. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.